Hi, I am May, and this is Counselor Sam, and we are doing a stop, start, continue intervention example using the Brave Play Kit for teen and young adults in college. So, Sam, for preface, the start, stop, continue is a technique that we use to identify goals, and especially for college age students, we like to help them decipher how to make changes, how to stop changes, how to stop bad habits. So this is a good example to use both sides of their brain to, come up with a solution. So, Sam, I want you to find, using the Brave Play Atoms Kit, I want you to find a couple of atoms that you feel like you need to stop doing in college. Okay, and then now I would like you to pull a couple of atoms that you would like to continue. Okay. And then now I would like you to pick a couple of atoms that you would like to start. Okay. So now I want you to explain to me what you would like to start, stop.
I would like to stop eating junk food.
Okay.
Freshman 15.
Yeah.
Trying to avoid.
Okay. So, what are you going to start?
I'm going to try to start cooking.
Okay.
And actually aim for healthier foods because that's better for my physical and mental health.
Okay. And then what are you going to continue?
Definitely need to keep focusing on school.
Okay.
And then make time to do things I enjoy, like listening to my music.
Okay. So, what do you think the connection is between these two?
I think they go hand in hand. It's like these are what I'm replacing this with.
Okay. And then what does this have to do with this theme?
Well, if I just eat a bunch of junk all the time, I get really, really tired, and then maybe I'll start slacking off at class. And then taking naps instead of doing things I like listening to my music.
Okay. So if you start doing this and you stop doing this, you're saying that this will be increased. Oh.
Yeah, be a lot easier, I think.
Okay. Alrighty. When you think, or when you're looking at this stopping, what comes up for you in terms of maybe some hurdles or some fears?
I think it's going to be hard for me to stop the snacking, especially with the gummy bears. And so I think if I just go straight into just all this gets taken out, then I'm going to struggle to maintain this. So
Gotcha.
Maybe more so worried about the balance of it.
Okay.
So keeping that in mind.
Okay. So what are some hurdles or fears regarding starting a new habit?
I think with most, it's am I going to be able to maintain this new habit that I know is good for me? And then, example, if I'm got a test or something, I may not want to cook that night.
Oh.
I may not want to eat the healthy foods. And, it's pretty expensive to pay for fresh foods.
Oh, okay. So do you think it's easier to engage in this habit versus this one?
Oh, yeah. 100%.
Okay. So, if we're taking this completely away, this is what you're kind of wanting your life balance to look like.
Yeah.
Our school, self-care, healthy foods.
Yep.
Okay, great. Good job. Thank you so much, Sam.